It's clearly a setback for Supertech as the Supreme Court has dismissed its petition against the August 31 order and has made it clear that the 40-story twin towers located at Emerald Court in Noida will have to be demolished by December this year. The court held that the petition was akin to seeking implementation of the verdict on Supertech's own terms, making it amply clear that modification petitions cannot be filed to avoid in-chamber listing of review petitions. Supertech wanted demolition of only one tower instead of the two ordered by the Apex Court, claiming that demolition of even one tower would have met building safety norms. However, the court upheld its August 31 order, which had directed for demolition of the towers located in the Noida-based project within 3 months. Observing an illegal collusion between the Noida authority and the real estate developer, the court had ordered repayment of all money taken from home buyers with 12% interest. In August, the court had dismissed an appeal filed by Supertech against a 2014 order of the Allahabad High Court which had called for demolition of the illegal construction. The two-judge bench of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice M.R. Shah noted that while the protection of environment and well-being of residents needs to be balanced with the need for housing, illegal constructions need to be dealt with strictly. Supertech was also asked to pay for demolition of the illegally constructed towers and had also been directed to pay rupees 2 crores to the Supertech Emerald Court Resident Welfare Association. The court had held that consent of individual flat owners was required under the Uttar Pradesh Apartment Act to construct the twin towers, which had reduced the common area available for residents of pre-existing flats. The Apex Court accepted the finding of the High Court that the sanction given to the project by the Noida Authority in 2009 was illegal as it violated fire safety norms, the National Building Code and the minimum distance requirement between individual buildings. The two towers to be demolished, Apex and Sian, have a total of 915 apartments and 21 shops, out of which 633 flats were booked by home buyers. Commenting on the plight of home buyers, the court had observed that their quality of life was affected the most, yet confronted with the economic might of developers and the might of the legal authority wielded by planning bodies, the few who raised their voices had to pursue a long and expensive battle for rights with little certainty of outcomes. The residents of the Supertech Emerald Court had moved the Allahabad High Court challenging the construction of the two new towers, saying that they were not a part of the initial plans shown to the home buyers. The court had observed that the sanctioned plans had not been disclosed even to the Resident Welfare Association, even when a notice was issued, that minimum distance requirements were being flouted and no action was taken. The Resident Welfare Association had claimed that it was sheer illegality on the part of Supertech. However, the Supertech had maintained that when the case was filed in the High Court, it was not even in existence when the plan was sanctioned and the construction had begun.